Look at that graph. During a 5-kilometer road race, runners pass a viewing stand. The rate, that's a calculus word. The rate at which the runners pass the viewing stand over a certain 16-minute time interval is modeled by a continuous function r. Okay, I guess that's a rate function, where r is measured in runners per minute. Oh, there's my hint too. That's a definite rate, or units of a rate. And t is measured in minutes. The graph of r is shown. It's shown in the figure above, so we know this is r. I always like to label my graphs. I don't know why. I think it's because there's a lot of mistakes I made in the past with graphs, like mislabeling or misthinking that they were something that they were not. It's just good to label it. Okay, I know the graph usually labels itself, but I do it too. Okay, so how many runners, that's a quantity, how many runners pass the viewing stand between 0 and 16? So booyah, this is what we're trying to look for. We're going to take the integral of a rate function between 0 and 16, and that will give us the total number, or the net change in the quantity of runners that passes the stand from however many runners there were at 0 all the way to 16. So here we go. We're going to use geometry since we don't have a function. So we got 4 times 40. That's our first rectangle. I'm going to throw that guy right here. And then we have a trapezoid. I put 40 and 20 there for my base 1 and base 2. So I'm going to add those foods up, multiply them by 1/2 or divide by 2, however you want to say it. And then the height of my trapezoid, because the trapezoid is on its side right here, is 6. And so I multiply by 6. Then I see another trapezoid, a really thin one, with 2 bases, 20 and 50. So I add those together, multiply them by 1/2, and then multiply them by the height, which is 2. And then the last shape right here is a rectangle. We have 4 times 50. And now we just got to do some arithmetic. All right, so we multiply those things, and booyah. Okay, now I want to explain what I'm doing here because I'm kind of weird. All right, so 160 plus 180. I just went 100 plus 100, which is 200, and then I went 60 plus 80, which is 140. Trust me, it's just easier mental math, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. 70 plus 200 is super easy. Now I'm going to add all the hundreds together. It looks like there's 200, 100, and then 200, so that gives me 500. So I'm going to put 500 there. And then if I add the 40 and the 70, I get 110. Add the 500 and the 110, I get 610. Booyah. Done.